KDLY stock analysis for 15th of May and onwards. How am I gonna play this when it's already melting? Is this really another buy? With kindly MD, I'm gonna kindly tell you that I'm trying to be kind and not nice, right? And being nice is gonna be bullish. It's about to have the second run. Most of the times it does not. And I'm as the guy that's talking when I really like, I'm the guy talking this when I like literally called out alongside when it was sitting at $2, right? So you've been watching my videos, you're just nodding your head right now. And practically speaking, I'm still looking to double down on this. Like, just kidding. This is where we are. And it's only going to be something bullish if there is a full candle close above 12 bucks. In this particular instance, just a bearish range, and I would not even bother. There's far better opportunities than trying to force trades here in particular. So I would just stay away, honestly. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.